Hey fellow foodies, today I'm going to show you how to make a miso glazed sweet potato and sauteed mushrooms. Now there's really only 5 ingredients for this recipe. We have our mushrooms, avocado, sweet potato, green onions, and miso, which is probably one of the only things you're going to have to go buy. We're just going to start off by cubing up the sweet potatoes so they're easy to roast in the oven. We're just going to season these with salt and pepper and pop them into a 450-degree oven for about 30-45 minutes until they're tender and browned. So now we're just going to slice up these scallions. Now here we're going to make our miso glaze. I'm using miso, sesame seeds, ginger, and water. Careful not to add too much salt. I added soy sauce and salt, but I'm not going to recommend doing that because it gets a little bit overpowering. And this is just going to go right on top of our sweet potatoes when they come out of the oven. Now we're just heating up a pan and we're going to saute our mushrooms. You might want to move the stems, it's up to you, it's really your preference. And you can use any mushroom here. Now I'm going to add in the scallions. If you want a brighter, crunchier flavor, add them later, but I added them in sooner so they would become like buttery kind of. So just adding a lemon here. And I took an avocado and added it. It's really your choice, but I think it's a great creaminess. So this is really 5 ingredients because some of the extra stuff you're always going to have. So the 5 main ingredients are the miso, you definitely need to probably go get. And I added some spinach just for color, but it's not necessary. And here you have our miso glazed sweet potato with sauteed mushrooms. It's really easy to change and make it your own. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy.